What's happening, guys? Big Drew here. And before we start, I would like you to meet my model for today.
Hello, I'm Drew, and today we're going to be doing a film photo shoot. And we're in Casbury Park today, so let's hope we can find lots of great spaces to take pictures.
That's it. And her mom. The best mom ever. The best
Mom's over
supportive
there.
ever. Yeah.
If you want to take a look at some more photos, check me out on Instagram. It's Drew Reaney, Drew RENNEE.
Let's start.
Let's go.
Perfect. Can I ask you something? You're used to selfie, doing selfie?
Yeah.
Where's your angle? Right? Right, left? Alright, so you're gonna do like this. You're gonna twist your body like this. Look at my feet. Perfect. Like that. Cool. Move backward a little bit. That's nice. You ready? Chin up, please. A little bit. Cool. 3, 2, 1, and. One more. You're gonna love this.
Oh my goodness. Mum!
Oh, that's beautiful. She's like a little angel. Oh, it's
She
so
is.
good.
They are really good.
And seems like the half of your face. Use your hand. Do like this. 3, 2, 1, and. Can I have your props?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, please.
Alright, go get
Oh.
the props, Mum.
I will credit you.
He's going to credit you.
Yeah, as a stunt.
Oh,
Use the other one. Use the other one.
I always get my way.
I will use that later on. Can you do like this? Look at my feet.
Yeah.
And then make yourself comfy and do like this. Perfect. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, and boom. Can you do it more sexy?
Oh!
That's it. that's what I'm telling you. Okay, ready? In 3, 2, 1, and go. That's it. Mom, can you please get the phone, please?
Oh, yeah. Okay, I was coming.
3, 2, 1, and. Fantastic.
Fantastic.
3, 2, 1, and go.
I like it a lot.
Hold a little bit side. That's it. Perfect. That's nice. Okay, good. Okay, relax. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, and.
Thank you.
Outstanding. So can we go there? Yeah. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, and.
Which acts naturally just does it.
Yeah.
Which tries to like
Yeah. That's it. That's why I like natural poses. Just be yourself. Just be Drew Barrymore.
Oh, that's lovely. You could be in a magazine, Drew, of his photos.
Told ya. Look at this side, please. Cool. 3, 2, 1, and. Move closer. Three, 2, 1, and. Stop it!
Stop moving.
Yeah.